In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bitvavo to Binance. So to do this, just open up Bitvavo and then here go to your USDT. So you can see I have about 16 euros. So simply go and open it up. And if you don't have anything yet, then first you will need to buy some. But if you do already own some USDT to actually transfer over to Binance, then just click withdraw at the top. Now from here, I first need to enable crypto withdrawals. So if you've already done that, then you don't have to do this again. But if you haven't done this yet, then click continue and then click enable crypto withdrawals and enter your password. And then you will need to download an authenticator app such as Authy or Google Authenticator. Now after doing that, then in this section you are going to find a wallet address section where you need to paste in your Binance USDT wallet address. So to find this, just go to Binance and then you will need to click on the wallet icon in the top navigation bar, then select fiat and spot from the menu, then search for the cryptocurrency you want to find the wallet address for, so in this case USDT, and then under deposit you will see the wallet address for that cryptocurrency. Now if that didn't work, you can also just click on deposit, then select USDT, and then you'll see the wallet address for that cryptocurrency in the address field. Now it's important that you use the same network on both Bitvavo and Binance, so you will be able to see which network they use when you are withdrawing it. So if they are both set to the same network, then just paste in the wallet address here, choose how much you want to send, and then confirm it. So now you know how to send USDT from Bitvavo to Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.